NANATHESAUCYCHEF. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? It's about to go down, you can have a seat. She can't be duplicated, don't hold your breath. Let's get to cooking with the saucy chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making slow cooker vegetable beef soup. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 4 cups of beef broth, 1 pound of beef cubes, 4 medium potatoes chopped, a 14.5 ounce can of petite diced tomatoes, 3/4 cup of tomato sauce, 2 celery ribs chopped, 3 large garlic cloves minced, 2 large carrots chopped, 1 small onion diced, 1 cup of frozen green beans, 1/2 cup of corn, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley flakes, and 1 bay leaf. Okay guys, in a heated skillet, I'm going to add in my olive oil. I'm going to let that come to temperature. Once it comes to temperature, you want to go ahead and add your beef cubes in. And we're just going to brown them on each side. Once they're all browned on each side, you want to remove them from your pan. And we're going to set them to the side. To that same pan, we're going to add in our onion, our celery, and our carrots. We're going to let that saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Okay guys, after 4 minutes, I'm going to add in my minced garlic, my parsley flakes, thyme, ground black pepper, paprika, and also my tomato paste. So we're going to mix that together, and we're going to let that cook for 1 minute. Make sure everything is well combined. Okay guys, after 1 minute, you want to turn off your heat. Now to my slow cooker, I added my beef cubes. Now I'm going to add in my carrots and celery and onion. And we're just going to mix that until it's well combined. Now you can add in your beef broth. We're going to add in our tomato sauce. And I'm adding in our petite diced tomatoes. And lastly, you can begin to add in your potatoes. So now we're going to mix everything until it's well combined. More ingredients. We're going to add in our corn and also our green beans. We're going to go ahead and throw our bay leaf in. Go ahead and give it a good mix. Okay guys, you can go ahead and put your lid on, and we're gonna set our slow cooker to 5 hours on high. Okay guys, it's been 5 hours and our vegetable beef soup is now done. Guys, you can go ahead and taste it. If you want to add any salt, if you need to, I didn't have to. You can do it now. Look how delicious that looks, guys. It tastes so good. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following.